Daddy,
and
Kittens!
We are ready for the Christmas, and here we have candy canes. Yummy! Hello everyone! Today we'll make a Christmas chain and a paper Christmas ornament. To make a Christmas chain and a paper Christmas ornament, we need colored papers. We need red pen. We need glue. We need thread. And we need scissors. These scissors are safe, so you don't need parents around. Are you ready? Go! First, we make a chain. But not this one. We will make hearts chain. Game! Before we play the game, we need to learn some new names for the colors.
Light blue, dark blue, light green, dark green, light yellow, dark yellow.
Please help me follow the pattern to make a chain. What color is next?
Dark green,
What color is next?
dark blue,
What color is next?
orange,
What color is next?
dark yellow,
What color is next?
light blue,
What color is next?
pink,
What color is next?
light yellow,
What color is next?
purple,
What color is next?
light green.
Thank you for your help. Well done. Now it's time for the paper mitten ornament. Let's start. Mr. Santa, hello, do you have present for me? Thank you, Santa.
Sponsored by IQ English.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!